read this bloody thing. Oh, what the hell's happened now? Is it this?
I don't know.
What does it say? How to stop it? Oh, I can't read that bloody thing. I can't stop it. That's not how you make it go.
Oh my god. Oh, for God's sake. You're
I
hopeless.
can't read it, Art. My eyes is too bad.
Oh, you're hopeless.
Oh. Oh, for God's sake. Jesus Christ almighty. Put that bloody rod. This is no typical. We can't have that all bloody night. I don't know how you put that bloody thing off. What's wrong? What is it? What the bloody hell is it? I don't know how you stop that bloody thing. That bloody Jesus Christ almighty. Oh. Honestly, God, I don't know what it is. Can you read that?
No, I can't.
Oh. What made it go?
I don't know. But
What does that say?
I tell you something making me laugh that much.
What does that say?
I don't know.
I can't read it.
Well, neither can I.
Oh, bloody! Oh, put a bloody thing into the bloody wall. How are you supposed to do it?
I don't know. I mean, it might not even be that.
Well, what is it then?
I don't know. I mean, that's just the only thing it could be, innit?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. I'm fed up with it. I'm on the verge of giving up. I'm not joking. I don't know what it is. It's not that. It's not that. Huh, huh.